Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Samantha Hayes, an educator, parent, and founder of Beyond the Screen Families. I have over 20 years of experience in education as a teacher, principal, and director of gifted and English language learning. I also have 2 young children of my own. As an educator, I strongly believe in the power of hands-on learning, limited screen time, and learning that can largely be completed independently with minimal adult support. It's this type of learning where the magic happens and where children build the tools and confidence to be independent learners and thinkers. Today, I'm so excited to share with you S&S's Take-Home Reading Bags. These bags are great because they reinforce learning at home with materials that get kids excited to read and learn. Is there a school break coming up? Great. These bags can help support that additional learning to prevent any learning losses. It can also be maximized to support additional learning with the on-grade level amazing text that I'm going to show you in just a moment. These grade level take-home bags come in 2 different sizes, one with 5 to 8 books and one with 7 to 10 books. And the best part, in my opinion, about these bags are that the texts are curated from multiple publishers. So a child is not just exposed to one style or type of writing, but to many. Think about it. When you have multiple publishers, you are understanding a variety of rich text structures, voices, perspectives, and formats, characters. That in and of itself is a huge bonus and why I'm such a big fan of these take-home bags. And did you know that these bags also come in a variety of subject areas? You can get them in literacy, mathematics, STEAM, financial literacy, and even cross-curricular. So let's take a look inside so you can see a sample of what the 3rd grade high interest bag looks like. First, there is a note to teachers and caregivers, which is printed in both English and Spanish. The note shares what's included, and also my personal favorite are the reflection questions to really push reading comprehension and connections to the next level. Also included are 5 to 10 high interest books, depending on which backpack and level you purchase. And these books, they're amazing. Let me show you a couple of my favorites so you can really see why having multiple publishers is such a benefit. My personal favorite is The Mummy's Curse, published by Bellwether. When I first looked at this and opened this book up, I just saw a comic book and I thought, no way is this nonfiction, because all I could see was the comic book. That wasn't until I realized that it's historical nonfiction and even includes real quotes, which they tell you are included with the red writing so that kids can discriminate when someone is saying something that really happened. Now let's compare that to the one my daughter loves the most. Who would win? Killer Whale versus Great White Shark, published by Scholastic. This book includes both artistic and photographic images. It also includes keyword callouts, fun facts, and scientific information. And these are just 2 of the many books that you'll get included where kids will love them. Also included is a journal and a pencil, which I'm a big fan of because it encourages kids to read, write, and reflect. And when the brain is engaged in actual writing, we know it retains information better and makes deeper connections. So whether you're looking for a meaningful take-home resource or wanting to keep learning alive at home, these take-home reading bags are an easy, effective, and engaging option.